Want to pin a chat on Viber Android to keep important conversations at the top? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to pin a chat, you will need to open the Viber application on your Android phone and go to your main chat list. You must then locate the specific conversation that you want to pin to the very top of your screen for easy access. Now, you must long press and hold directly on the chat until a menu appears on the screen. From the menu options that pop up, you will simply need to select the pin or pin to top option to secure it. The chat will then immediately move to a special pinned section at the very top of your chat list, above all other conversations. You can pin multiple chats, allowing you quick access to your most frequent or important discussions on your Android device. And that's how you can pin a chat on Viber for Android, a simple way to organize your chat list and prioritize conversations. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.